Let's now talk about the Plugins Handbook. So if you go to developer.wordpress.org and you can go to develop plugins, you will get a handbook. So this handbook is a must for you if you're into plugin development. It's not something that if you don't know this you can't develop plugins. Of course you can, but this is a resource that is really valuable and it can really help you when developing a plugin. So there are stuff such as the basics which you have to have included in the WordPress plugin. Then you have some activation, deactivation, who can, similar stuff that you should really consider even including in the plugin that has to do something on activation or deactivation. There is the plugin security, which is a big thing. You have to develop a secure plugin. You don't want your plugin users to be hacked just because you were lazy or sloppy. You should secure everything. Then there is something about hooks, how to use them, how to define them. Since you're developing a plugin, you can also create custom hooks. So how do we create a custom hook? Well, it's simple. We create a do action. With do action, we can then allow other developers to hook in and do something. We can have a filter. We can use the apply filters, create a tag, pass some information, and allow other developers. Well, this something not right here, but never mind. So let me just refresh it. So you add and apply filters, pass some data, and then another developer or even you on later on or in another plugin can hook into and change something or extend it. So how to create menus, how to create shortcodes, how to create how to use the settings API, which will save your fields and your settings out of the box. So this is really nice. There is also a complete example, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So the custom example, if you expand it, you get a whole example of how to create a settings page, which is really awesome. Because I know for myself, when I was at the start of working with the settings API, I had a hard time understanding what are the sections, fields, and everything. And here everything is really nicely put, so you can understand better and have a complete example for it. How to create custom meta boxes. That's something you probably will do on a plugin, or even if you're creating a solution for your client. Then how to work with custom post types, which is one of the most used things in WordPress. At least I think it is, and it's pretty awesome that you have everything here. They even tell you something that you should consider looking into and change if you used it in another way before. Then taxonomies, how to work with users, how to create roles, capabilities. Then cron, how to automate something. You can they are even going that far that they will just explain what is cron and what can be done with it. Then localization, of course, how to translate your plugin. And that part is really important because I had some issues also, and this handbook helped me a lot. And also if you plan to push your plugin to WordPress.org, here is everything you need, and even the subversion thing for pushing your changes there is pretty awesome because it really shows you everything you need to know. So I also find myself, if I haven't pushed anything in a longer time, and then go here and check just how to tag something or something like that. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, if you're into plugin development, please do check this plugin handbook, because it will help you a lot and you won't waste hours and hours on figuring something out, because it will probably be here.